Welcome to Science in a Minute.
In this video, we will discuss the solar system. The solar system consists of the sun and all the objects that orbit around it, including 8 planets, their moons, dwarf planets, and countless smaller bodies like asteroids and comets. The Sun, a medium-sized star, contains about 99.86% of the solar system total mass, providing the gravitational pull that keeps the system intact. The 4 inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are rocky and terrestrial, while the 4 outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are gas giants with thick atmosphere. So, studying the solar system helps us to understand the origins and evolution of our planetary neighborhood and the potential of life beyond Earth. So, now I have prepared 10 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer. So, let's start. Number 1 question. What planet is closest to the Sun? Letter A, Venus. Letter B, Earth. Letter C, Mars. Letter D, Mercury. If your answer is letter D, Mercury, your answer is correct because Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, orbiting at an average distance of about 57.9 million kilometers. Its proximity to the Sun means it has the shortest orbit period, taking only about 88 Earth days to complete one revolution. Number 2 question. Which planet has a day longer than its year? Letter A, Venus. Letter B, Jupiter. Letter C, Saturn. Letter D, Neptune. If your answer is letter A, Venus, your answer is correct because Venus has a very slow rotation period, taking about 243 Earth days to rotate once on its axis, while it takes about 225 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun. This makes a day on Venus longer than a year. Number 3 question. Which planet is known as the red planet? Letter A, Jupiter. Letter B, Mars. Letter C, Saturn. Letter D, Uranus. If your answer is letter B, Mars, your answer is correct. Mars is known as the red planet due to its reddish appearance, which is caused by iron oxide or rust on its surface. This distinctive color makes it easily recognizable in the night sky. Number 4 question. Which moon is the largest in the solar system? Letter A, Titan. Letter B, Europa. Letter C, Ganymede. Letter D, Callisto. If your answer is letter C, Ganymede, your answer is correct because it is a moon of Jupiter, is the largest moon in the solar system with a diameter about 5,268 kilometers or 3,273 miles. It is even larger than the planet Mercury and has its own magnetic field. Number 5 question. Which planet has the most prominent and visible ring system? Letter A, Uranus. Letter B, Neptune. Letter C, Jupiter. Letter D. Saturn. If your answer is letter D, Saturn, your answer is correct because Saturn is renowned for its spectacular ring system, which is the most extensive and visible of any planet. The ring are composed of ice and rock particles, and their visibility is enhanced by their size and reflective properties. Which planet is known for having a great red spot? Letter A, Mars. Letter B, Saturn. Letter C, Jupiter. Letter D, Neptune. If your answer is letter C, Jupiter, your answer is correct because Jupiter is famous for the Great Red Spot, a massive storm that has been raging for at least 400 years. This storm is so large that it could fit several Earth within it. Which planet has the largest volcano in the solar system? Letter A, Earth. Letter B, Mars. Letter C, Venus. Letter D, Mercury. Your answer is letter B, Mars. Your answer is correct because Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. It stands approximately 22 kilometers or 13.6 miles high, and it's about 600 kilometers or 373 miles in diameter. Number 8 question. Which planet has a tilt that causes extreme seasonal changes? Letter A, Earth. Letter B, Mars. Letter C, Uranus. Letter D, Neptune. If your answer is Uranus, your answer is correct because Uranus has an axial tilt of about 98 degrees, meaning it is essentially orbits on the sun on its side. This extremely tilt causes extreme seasonal variation with each pole getting around 42 years of continuous sunlight or darkness. Number 9 question. Which planet is known for its blue color due methane in its atmosphere? Letter A, Saturn. Letter B, Uranus. Letter C, Neptune. Letter D, Jupiter. What is your answer? You have 10 seconds to answer. If your answer is Neptune, letter C, your answer is correct because Neptune appears blue because the presence of methane on its atmosphere, which absorb red light or reflect blue light. This gives Neptune its drinking blue color. Number 10 question and the last question. Which dwarf planet is located in the asteroid belt? Letter A, Pluto. Letter B, Eris. Letter C, Haumea. Letter D, Ceres. If your answer is letter D, Ceres, your answer is correct because Ceres is the only dwarf planet located in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, and it is the largest object in the asteroid belt and was the first dwarf planet to be visited by spacecraft. Out of 10 questions, how many of your answers are correct? So, thank you for watching and I hope
you learned a lot from this video.